Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm at Haptech again, the GAC from Lucky Group, to review their another SUV, which is AION V, a very perfect looking car, and really like the color, the one which is on the display with them, and we'll talk about it. And it's a very nice looking car and a big size, better than a bit bigger than Kia Sportage, I would say, and very full of luxury and futuristic design and everything. Gee, this is the one. Check out the front. By the way, the color which I was telling you before is Galaxy Blue, a very beautiful color. I really like the color. And check out the headlights. These are the DRLs on the both sides, and obviously the indicators as well. And the curves, the lines, the piano black finish over here differentiated the curves and everything, even running in the front over here. And the main grille over here is all black, and obviously AION logo in the front with the camera underneath it, and it comes with parking sensor in the front and the back, but really look like the curves and everything in it. Comes with 19 inches wheels, which are really beautiful and coming out very nice in this color. And obviously the theme of the piano black is continuing over here on the upper arch of the lower arch of the fender above from the wheels, and this is something they have added an extra feature over here as well, which is a design concept which looks really nice. But the wheels coming out with this color looks really nice, black and machine finish. These are 19 inches, so looks really nice. And even the design theme is continuing, and over here we have all the curves and everything. They have given all the design features over here and curves. A camera cannot tell you, but looks really nice. Matching side mirrors, but the main holder is in piano black with the camera installed in it, and small lights, indicators over here. Very sleek, very nice looking lights, and come with roof rail which can carry up to 75 kgs if you put a luggage cabin on it and put stuff in it. So it will carry around about 75 kgs weight, what the company is saying. And again, the curves over here, I really like the curves and designing over here. Chinese are really improving it, and they are coming out really nice in it. And again over here as well, the design curves, the lines, and the piano black finish is quite good over here. And again, they have continued the theme over here from front, a little bit over here, a touch. From back, they have continued the curve lines and everything is similar to the side and the front. And obviously, AION logo comes in it, and GAC logo and a V, AION V, because it's there. And they have continued the piano black strip at the back, which is looking really nice in it. And the way they have designed it, the shades and the curves and everything. Underneath is the reflectors, and they have placed the brake reverse light over here, which is quite smart and clever. And talking about the backlights, they are really beautiful. The curves and the lights itself, they look really nice. We're going to do it. I'm going to on it and we're going to show it to you. And obviously comes with a roof spoiler as well, mini spoiler with the back light as well in it, and camera is there, and the back trunk is auto and comes with a huge space. There's some stuff lying over here for the car or maybe something else, but there is. Comes with a spare wheel, and it's strange. This is the first electric I've seen which is coming with a spare wheel, and obviously reflective vest as well. While you are changing the tire or something, you can use it. And it has huge space, and these seats fold as every normal SUV, and you can get extra, and if they tilt as well, they come back as well. So if you want to relax, you can relax as well. So very nice car, and obviously a charging adapter is there. So it's touch and it will close. From outside, overall the car is very beautiful. The details and finishing comes out really nice, and even the door handles really good. And let's see, talking about the door handles, the interior. See, they have continued the theme over here as well, and the door panels. Really like the button, the window button, very smart and clever. Chrome, all chrome touch in it, all black or gray, you can say. This is not leather, this is artificial leather, so be in mind that. And this is the place where you can tilt it. Very nicely placed, this button as well, pusher as well, I would say. Very comfortable seats and huge space, leg room, and air vents, and a small over here one USB port, and comes with panoramic roof as well. The lights are really nice, round, small, and it comes with child protection seats as well. I mean, you can place them over here and everything is there. Really comfortable, and some space to keep your mobile or stuff, and cup holder with all black chrome finish. Very comfortable from back, and very like the leg room. I mean, see, you have a long way. Really comfortable. The best part of the seats is that they can tilt back as well, 145 degrees. So this gives you a very relaxing mode. Like right now, I am relaxing. I mean, it's very convenient. I can go back as well, further back. So very nice and clever. So overall, the design and concept is quite good. I mean, from in and out till now. Let's see the cockpit as well. So we get welcome seats. The passenger seat is 6-way, and the driver seat is, I'm always confused like with the passenger and the driver. The driver's seat is 6-way and the passenger is 4-way adjustable. That is quite good. And we'll check out the speaker design, the cover of it. Really nice. And over here we have the handle to open the door. Very different from the back one, but really good design concept again. And some space over here to keep your extra stuff. Basically, this car comes with 9 speakers in total from back till the front. And check out the, let me close the door first. Check out the interior, the way they have used the chrome in it. It's something different and very unique and very kind of speaks out loud. And this is the key of this car. A very smart and small key. So it has lock, unlock, trunk, and this one is something different. So over here is talking about the center console. I mean, charging, mobile charging, and this area is charging, this is non-charging, and cup holders, very nicely designed, and the small cabin to keep your stuff, extra stuff, and some extra space over here at the center, at the back, over here, center of the console. Because it's open, so they have given a big room to keep your stuff, and charging ports are over here as well. But really nice. The main screen is 14.5, 14.6 inches, and the instrumental cluster is 8.8. Yeah, but a really nice looking design. The dashboard as well, the lights over here comes out really nice, and obviously a panoramic sunroof comes out with it. And like all other cars, all the functionalities of the car are in this brain, in this monitor over here, and you can just use it like a button. And these are the light settings and everything. Smart cabin, you can adjust your 3 memory seats option for the driver and 3 for the passenger as well. So you can adjust them. Rear view mirror, so you can adjust the rear view mirrors from here, and fold, unfold is the button over here. By the way, these seats are ventilated and heated, both front, driver and the passenger, so you can adjust them from here, the temperature and everything. Quite cool, and the touch system is quite good, very convenient and very nice. So these are the forward safety and everything going on in it. Blind spot, door opening warning, rear cross traffic alert, rear collision warning, and all of them. Driving energy, I mean, this is the battery pack. So over here you can use the driving mode as well, sport, comfort, power save, energy recovery, and everything is there. So yeah, and this is charging in insulation timed setting, so you can set that and everything. Discharge is here, so this is showing the discharge, 87 kilometer estimated range. Chassis power, eco off, auto hold, and everything is in this, so you have to play around it and go with this. Basic settings, I mean, everything comes in it. Voice command, I mean, driver, front passenger, second row left, I mean, they have choose the areas, whatever area you want to choose, you can just select it from here. Intelligent vehicle control by voice, so you can use it as well. I mean, this car is all voice control, you can open the trunk and everything with it. So yeah, so this is the main panel where you can see all the quick usable stuff. So yeah, and this is the camera view, which is 360, and you can 3D, so you can rotate it by this. The person standing over here is here, and very nice. 4 cameras in position, and this is the 2D, which is just the front, and you can use it like this manually. So quite many things. Climate control is there and everything is there. So yeah, and very nice looking car actually. So this is the voice control, media, volume control, navigation, voice, everything is there. And very small, sleek instrumental cluster talking about quite many things, showing the tire pressures, which it should be showing, but the car is not start, so now it starts, so let's see. So it's indicating that 1% sitting, which is me, and quite good. 170 kilometers power save, 15 point, I mean, quite many things. Small but very attractive. And talking about the steering, very comfortable and very futuristic, I would say. I mean, small buttons, volume button is here, and then here, and this is the button for
I'm here
to speak about anything, and voice control actually. And over here we have the music.
I'll quit.
This is the radio and everything. This is for the mobile. I mean, it's not that visible over here, but anyways, the grip is quite good of the steering, and the design as well, and even the quite good. And comes with ambient lights all over with different colors. You can manage it from the main screen, and you can adjust them accordingly. But seats are really comfortable, and really like the air vents which they have placed over here. Quite nicely placed and very smooth, not like ordinary car. Wherever you want to hold it, it will hold. But let's see what will happen, what will the future of this car will be. But till now comes with 7 airbags all together, and the design, the fee is excellent, very nice. So let me show you the main trunk and see what it's inside. So here is the fully packed front bonnet, and underneath is the battery which is 64.5 kilowatts and produces 100 horsepower and 240 newton torque, which is quite good for this car. It's all sealed. I mean, this cabin over here as well, underneath, as you can see, temperature, battery and everything is there, and very nicely made. And the maximum, the battery maximum power is 6.6 kilowatts, and it charges in DC in charges from 10 to 80 in 24 minutes, which is not bad actually. I mean, that is something you are on the go and you stop on the station or something, and then you want to recharge it, reuse it, so you have to wait 24 minutes. I mean, that is not bad. I mean, but overall the design is quite good, and this is the battery which is quite good. I mean, it's better than what they are claiming is more powerful than BYD battery. It's it's totally sealed, waterproof, and stones, chips, everything is proof. I mean, underneath the car, everything is sealed down to its maximum strength, so it doesn't get affected from the outside conditions, basically. Because over here we get extra water as well, and stone chips and nails and everything is hitting inside the car, so even the road humps as well, normally they hit as well, so you can be safe from them, what they are claiming. So when it will come on the road, we'll see what it is. And over here we have the AC and DC charging ports, so you can use them while you are charging them. But really good, and really like the roof rails as well. I mean, they are quite solid. Yeah, they're quite solid, as they have claimed that you can use it and transport around about 75 kgs. I mean, that is my weight, a little more actually, less my weight is. But overall the car is excellent, and should hit the market very well. I mean, the size wise and everything. The only drawback is they should have given it in a reef technology. That would be a bit more easier or better for the clients to pick, but the design is quite good, and really like it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the AION V, the fully electric SUV. The color is quite good, Galaxy blue, don't miss it. And they have it in stock, and they are giving it ready to be delivered. So yeah, till the next video, take care, goodbye.